In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Gmail in just 5 minutes. As we all know, having a cluttered inbox can be overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you'll have a much more streamlined and efficient email experience. Let's begin by opening up your Gmail account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to focus on is prioritizing your emails. Gmail provides several inbox layouts designed to help you keep track of what's important, such as the priority inbox, which automatically separates your emails into important, unread, and everything else. By selecting an inbox style that places your most significant emails at the top, you ensure that important messages are front and center every time you check your email. Next, let's talk about using labels and filters. Labels function like folders, allowing you to organize emails by categories of your choice. To create a label, go to the left-hand menu, click on More, then Create New Label. After setting it up, you can create filters to automatically sort incoming emails into these labels. Simply go to the settings icon, select See All Settings, and then the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Choose Create a New Filter, set your criteria, and designate your label. This way your emails are automatically organized as they arrive, saving you time and effort. Now, to enhance your email organization even further, consider exploring extensions. Productivity extensions like Boomerang or Gemelius can provide features such as email scheduling, tracking, and advanced task management. These tools can significantly help in maintaining both organization and productivity, allowing you to do more with your inbox. Another important step in organizing your Gmail is to delete or archive emails you no longer need. Decluttering your inbox makes it easier to find and manage the emails that matter. For emails you might need later, archiving is a good choice as it moves them out of your main view without permanently deleting them. Don't forget to utilize Gmail's built-in features such as tabs, folders, and rules. Using tabs like primary, social, and promotions can help separate different types of emails, while folders and rules can keep everything ordered according to your preferences. Take some time to explore these features and configure them to suit your needs. Finally, remove unwanted emails and unsubscribe from newsletters or updates that no longer serve you. This not only declutters your inbox but also reduces the number of unnecessary emails you receive daily. Just open an unwanted email, scroll to the bottom and hit that unsubscribe link. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Gmail will be more organized, making it easier and faster to navigate your inbox. Keep practicing these habits and you'll find that managing your emails becomes second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a more organized digital life.